Okay, so what I want to teach you today is algebraic magic. So this is what we want to just be careful we show our students, or when we do show our students this, that it is a little bit of magic. So this is your algebraic expression is n divided by 5 plus, oops, that should be a plus 9 equals to 22. So some teachers like to show the the bed mass backwards, or the reverse bed mass method, which is when you're solving regular problems or solving expressions, you go forward. So this is when you're given an expression. But when you're given algebra and you're given an equation, that you have to work backwards to solve for the variable. And in that case, that means you would take this plus 9 and you would move it to the other side so that you're left with n divided by 5 equals 22 minus 9. Now, what we've just done is a little bit of math magic. We basically took this 9, magically wrote it on the other side of this equal sign, and then we change this plus sign into a minus sign. There's nothing, there's no evidence to say that we can do that. We can base it on our rule from inspection that the opposite of an addition is a subtraction. So when it's brought over an equal sign, it switches its operation. But that is a confusing comment or confusing proof for our students. So we want to avoid kind of just doing this math magic. Even though the answer is correct, it is a little bit of magic or mathematical prestidigitation. Anyway, so then when you continue to solve, I have n divided by 5 equals to 13. And then again, this magical fence that suddenly makes this divided by 5 turn into a multiply by 5 so that we get the answer 65. Yes, the answer is correct. We do get the correct value of n, but students won't get the understanding of this magical fence that just switches positives to negatives, or multiplications or divisions to the opposite side as well. I would use the other strategies first. So in definitely inspection and systematic trial to get to the answer. Use systematic trial to get to the answer. Now, obviously, you can shortcut by using these rules as soon as you've developed a fluency with inspection to know that this is really the same result. But mathematically, it's very strange to see this magic number move from one side to the other side to get to that answer. So just be wary using this particular method with your students, just because then it now moves away from the pictorial, is now being replaced with just abstract rules. Even though they're correct, just be careful using it. So hopefully you got this lesson.